Tired of a cluttered kitchen and complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to revolutionize your meals. This incredible appliance replaces 9 different kitchen gadgets, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and much more, all in one sleek design. Imagine reclaiming counter space while still preparing delicious, diverse meals with ultimate ease. What makes it truly smart are the 15 customizable programs. Whether you're making soup, chili, or even a cake, there's a setting to guide you effortlessly. For anyone looking for a reliable, multifunctional kitchen upgrade, this model is a serious contender. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means easy cleanup and healthy cooking, ensuring your meals are always perfect. It's not just an appliance, it's a time-saving game changer that makes healthy home cooking accessible to everyone, even on busy weeknights. Ready to experience the convenience yourself? You can find the best Instant Pot Duo Plus deal by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. If you're wondering if this Instant Pot purchase is worth it for your 2025 kitchen, trust me, it absolutely is. For unmatched versatility and delicious results every time, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is definitely my top recommendation.